Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The Ethereum chart is still ranging. It hasn't really gone anywhere, so there isn't really much more stuff to share. I think it's going to be a quiet Saturday as it seems for Ethereum, but also for many other coins. Bitcoin also hasn't given us any more indications or confirmations that a low has actually formed. So we're still looking at very, let's say, unclear probabilities there. We're looking for this WXY pattern here in the white count, in which we could still get another low, okay, to round about 2,600 or 2,500. I would find that highly likely. The low could also be in, so we're just forming a sideways consolidation. So again, until the price has given us any confirmation that a low is in, probabilities remain very balanced. So the move to the downside could be completed in the yellow count, as I mentioned before. That would be the short-term bullish scenario, basically, in which we have an A wave completed, a B wave completed, C wave down completed, with the price reaching here the 2,790 level, which was the 100% extension level of the A wave, a very common C wave target, right? Wave C of 4. And from here, we could start wave 5 to the upside. But the way this is going, if this really is the case, then the wave 5 is a diagonal. So Ether needs to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to confirm that a low is in, because we can call that a wave 1 and we get a wave 2 pullback. That wave 1 needs to reach around about $3,770. And we likely completed waves 1 and 2 of that 5-wave move. And the third wave could be unfolding right now. If it is, then we are currently forming the B wave of the third wave. And this just makes it very messy because we don't have 5 waves up. But it tells you very clearly what the invalidation point is. So as long as we are able to hold the Friday low, then this is a valid assumption. It's a reasonable assumption to say the next move up could have started, because the downside is technically complete. But I can also make a case for one more low. So just because the downside is complete doesn't give us enough evidence, right? We can't say the low is definitely in or something. We have to keep the door open for lower, especially as long as we only have 3 waves up. So that's the white count then, short-term bearish. A break below yesterday's low will likely send us down to 2,600 or even 2,500. So zooming in a bit. You can see we're still ranging, so unless we get a break up or down to one of these lines, we have very balanced probabilities. Corrective structures, and that's what Elliott Wave tells us, don't give us clear probabilities. 3 waves up doesn't really help us. And if we get 3 waves up, this could be a B wave in the white count and we come down, okay? So be aware of that. But a break above the Monday high, $3,300, would already give us some clarity that probably yellow is playing out. At least we can follow it then, but still need to be mindful that we could get a breakdown, for example, from a higher B wave. So the move above 3,300, while it would be certainly an indication that, yellow wants to play out, it is still going to be prone to failure due to the initial 3-wave rally. And we really need those 5 waves play out to confirm that a low is in, have a first decent confirmation. The third wave, circle 3, should reach 3,620 roughly. Then a 4th wave pullback, maybe to round about 3,390. And the 5th wave, I already said, should ideally reach the 1.618 extension level. Without this, we can't say the low is in. We can follow it as long as the last low is maintaining its position. So if you want to trade these movements, then invalidation point is down here below the red line. That's I think black and white. That means we could still possibly get a reset of wave 2 though, but again it would be a very deep wave 2. So it's either this low, the Friday low would be the invalidation point for this microstructure, but then the wave 2 could reset a bit lower. And then the next invalidation point is 2,770, which is the Saturday low. But just range movement, boring, not much going on, and it could be a quiet Saturday. That's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.